Jai Hind everyone. I Ritul Priya with my teammates Ritvik Raj Singh and Sahar Singh of Sunbeam School Bhagwanpur Varanasi have got the opportunity to participate in ATL Space Challenge 2021.
This challenge is all about enabling young innovative minds to learn and engage in developing young advancements and solutions related to space.
So starting with a short demonstration on what the app is all about. Name of the app developed by our team is Space Nest. Our app consumes less than 1 GB of data, whereas it provides variety specification in form of innovation, informative and interesting way, that is I3.
Motive of our app is to generalize space exploration and remove deeply rooted myths of universe in minds of common people. Also, Space Nest will provide collective information about space and more. Space Nest builds interest in every age group. One will use our app because it is really creative, which also has facilities like virtual reality videos and 3D models of planets and various galaxies, which will build an interest in younger age groups. It is also very helpful for teenagers and young adults at educational level and competitive level like KVPY and IISR, etc. It is also used by educational institutes to provide practical-based knowledge. The elder ones can also easily access it as it provides the technological learning by virtual reality, 3D model space, and A to Z knowledge and space news.
Some of the key features of our app are SkyMap, VR and Media, and A to Z knowledge along with the space news. SkyMap will provide map to the universe. VR and Media will be a good source of building interest and showcasing technology for learning. A to Z knowledge will be used as a dictionary for a new source of space knowledge which will keep updating daily. Only by typing A we will get all the information about space, which starts from letter A and proceeds alphabetically. Space News will give updates about the space related events.
So here I share you my mobile screen to show you our app, that is Space Nest. You can see all the features of our app on the main screen of the app. This is SkyMap. SkyMap, you can see the 360 view of space in the sky now. Virtual reality. In virtual reality we have added 3 videos of now and will be added more videos in future. Getting on A to Z knowledge. A to Z knowledge. Proceeding to A to Z knowledge, here you can see that we have added all the information and definition related to space alphabetically, and it proceeds. Space news. Here you can get acknowledged by this news updates daily after 24 hours.
To download the Space Nest on iOS and Android's operating system, you can go to Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Space Nest provide you a QR code so that you can directly go on our website and get upgraded information. So it was a brief all about Space Nest app and which was developed in India for a change. Thank you and Jai Hind.